How do you launch this atop this? Hi, I'm Dave Dooling, Education Director at the New Mexico Museum of Space History. Today, we will build a model of the James Webb Space Telescope that launches next year. This is not a detailed model. Instead, it mimics how Webb will unfold like an immense transformer so you understand why it was designed like this. You need these materials: a box of flexible straws, cardstock for computer printouts, survival blanket, 2-liter drink bottle, tape, scissors, hole punch, ruler, marker. When we talk about space telescopes, you probably expect something like the Hubble Space Telescope. Hubble's discoveries pointed toward the infrared or heat portion of the spectrum as a new frontier to explore. This posed two challenges. First, infrared objects are faint, and a telescope's own body heat can glow brighter than your target. Second, infrared wavelengths are longer, meaning images are fuzzier unless the aperture gets bigger. These pointed to the same answer.
You're going to need a bigger boat.
Because the infrared region for Webb is twice as long as Hubble's visible light, engineers had to design Webb to be more than double the diameter to see as sharp as Hubble. This meant a 21-foot mirror, and the largest launch vehicle available can only handle payloads about 16 feet wide. Answer? Fold it up. It's a bit of a ship-in-a-bottle problem. Here's how it works. Okay, let's build. First, cut the triangle-like pattern and use that to mark and then cut out a piece of the survival blanket. Next, cut out the pattern for the mirrors and tape the wings so they can fold back. Assemble the boxes for the satellite bus and science instruments. The holes are important because the straws pass through them. I already put some straws through the science module. I cut off the bends from 2 straws to make a U-shaped holder in the back. Crimp the end of one straw and insert into another until tight. Make 2 and pull through the bus section. Cut down 2 bend sections to make a U-bend that holds the ends together. Place on the silver blanket and tape the ends to the straws. Cut a rectangular opening in the blanket so you can tape the instrument module in place. Notice how the instrument module already has straws sticking through it. Make a wide H shape with 3 pieces of tape to hold the primary mirror to the instrument module. Insert the legs of the secondary mirror into the straws and tape in place. Add some tape to the base to hold the mirror assembly in place. I put a straw through the bus to hold the blanket sides out. Webb will have telescoping booms that slide out to do this. Use a nail or thumbtack to punch a starter hole in the 2-liter bottle and cut off the base. The scale of this model makes the bottle the perfect match for the Ariane 5 launch shroud. Remove the tape from the blanket tips and gently fold. Mirror wings, secondary mirror boom, blanket tips, and Sunshield pallets. Now slide into the bottle. Congratulations, the James Webb Space Telescope is now ready for launch. Reverse the process to gently deploy the telescope for operations. And here is why the design seems weird. Webb will be 600,000 miles away in a halo orbit that trails along as Earth orbits the Sun. Earthshine is not a problem. The Sunshield will cool the telescope to almost 400 degrees below zero, making work easier for the instrument refrigerators. That also means that Webb can only look across one arc of sky, but that arc changes as it orbits the Sun, so Webb will see the entire sky every 6 months. Here is an accelerated version of the deployment that will take 2 agonizing weeks. So if you think building this model took careful work, imagine building the real thing, because you only get one shot at success. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more hands-on Virtual Rocketeer Academy activities.